Mrs. Jane Matthew to deliver the vote of thanks.
Warm greetings to Honorable Chief Guest, Mr. D. Sidambaranathan, District Educational Officer, Thuthukudi District. Esteemed Correspondent, Dr. Joseph John Kennedy, beloved Principal, G. Palkani, and beloved Assistant Headmistress, Mrs. Priya, parents, staff members, sister concerned heads, our dear students, and ladies and gentlemen. As we come to the end of our business section, I could like to take a moment to express our heartfelt gratitude to everyone who has made this event possible. First of all, I could like to extend my most sincere thanks to the God Almighty, who are the creator of nature, for making this nature event a resounding success. I express my heartfelt gratitude to our chief guest, Mr. D. Sidambaranathan, District Educational Officer, Thuthukudi District, who graciously accepted our invitation and honored us with his august presence despite his hectic schedule. Sir, your presence has touched us because it conveys your concern for us. Your inspiring words and valuable insights have left an indelible mark on our hearts and minds. At this juncture, I proud to announce, sir, that we have Eat Right Club, and through our Eat Right Club, we provide millets drink to our school students every month. And we insist the KG parents and primary parents especially not to give any biscuits for their snacks, only cereals. And we proud to say that through our moral instruction classes, we ask the children to follow 3 golden rules. The first thing is revere God. The second one is respect your parents for your long life and respect your teachers. And we always insist the children not to addict to the mobile phone, and you be the master of the mission. And we are happy to inform that they will be the role model. Thank you, sir. Your commitment to education and your efforts to promote quality learning in our district are truly commendable. Thank you once again, sir. I could like to extend my sincere gratitude to our correspondent, BMC Group of Schools, Dr. I. Joseph John Kennedy. Your vision and leadership, expertise and encouragement have been invaluable for us. Thank you, sir. A special mention to our beloved principal, Mrs. G. Palkani. Thank you for your tireless efforts, wise counsel, and support. We are grateful to work under your leadership and look forward to many more successful events together. Thank you, ma'am. And I could like to thank our assistant headmistress, Mrs. Priya, who has been with us in every step of our way. Thank you, Priya. I express my heartfelt gratitude to our dedicated and hardworking teachers. Your selfless commitment, creativity, patience have been truly inspiring. We are grateful to have you as a part of our school committee. And at this juncture, I could like to extend my gratitude to all our assistant concerned heads, well-wishers. Thank you. And I thank our parents for your faith in us, your cooperation, and your readiness to stretch out your helping hands to us made us feel great and honored. Thank you for that respect for us. Nothing can be completed in school without the support of our non-teaching staff, who look after all the little things with much matters. So thank you, dear team of supporting staff. And I am beaming with pride about our students who are going to perform with such passion and energy. And my gratitude to all the volunteers and school parliament members for their contribution behind the stage. With this show would have not been possible. Thank you, team of members. And I am immensely thankful to the anchoring team for the elegance of explanation of everything. and I need to mention my deepest sense of appreciation to our school choir. I thank our school 4 councils, academic, cultural, ECA and sports, heads and members for their commitment to the allocated duties. I am very much thankful to Mr. Chandran for recording and Mr. Isaac for the light, sound, stage, videography and photography. Thank you once again, everyone, for making this annual day celebration a resounding success. May the spirit of nature continue to inspire us to live in balance and harmony with Mother Nature. Let us move on to the cultural section, which promises to be an exciting and entertaining part of our program. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am, for your acknowledgement.